It's day 8 of the Disney vlog. I have this outfit on. I'm losing my voice. And then there's Minnie. Minnie! What? What's the matter? Why are you looking all guilty? What are you doing? What are you doing? Do you just want... Oh, you just want a belly rub. You just want to do it. Happy girl. Tell me what happened with the people in line before us.
So they messed with the ticketing system so badly when trying to enter the park that they actually broke the finger scanner. It's legitimately broken. It just lets you in without using it.
Yep.
I tried doing it.
Boy, you gotta keep stepping on my feet. You already broke one of my shoes. There are birdies over there. And the tree like.
No, that's long dead. We had to bring it back. Revive it.
Matthew, I'm long dead.
Resurrect it. Oh my god, it says Desert Polo Cup. You know what I thought it said?
What?
Despacito.
Can you stop?
Without sunlight, plants die.
Funny story, on the ride, these fell off my head and I had to catch them midair.
Really smart. Oh yeah, right, they have the flash photos actually don't show up.
It used to be in the front. Like, you know, when you're going down, that used to be the photo.
I doubt.
Hey, no taking photos while I'm videotaping. As long as we don't take the humidity.
You know what this store is modeled on?
A gas station.
Places like the Petrified Creature Museum.
They're like so loud and one of the worst rides in Disney in my opinion. It's just a mousetrap.
Yeah, it's just a porta ride. They didn't make this.
It literally is one of those side carnival things. I'm pretty sure I've seen one of these decorated in Six Flags. I do like that though over there, the dinosaurs. Leaving Disneyland USA to Asia.
Everyone knows once you leave America, you always end up in Asia.
Yep.
It works the same way in Frontierland.
It doesn't make sense, but sure.
Yeah, it does. You leave Frontierland, you end up at, well...
Adventureland.
Yeah.
Adventureland, Long Island, plugging it in, go there. It's shit, but like,
it's
people cosplay there. I saw South Park cosplay, I saw Homestuck cosplay. Thank you! Have a nice day!
When they make the perfect seat and they tell you you're not allowed to sit in it.
Where you guys from?
That? Yeah. Ooh, it is. Not zooming. Thank you. Why isn't this? Rafiki. Oh, I just found one.
Yeah, there you go.
There's a lot, but there's one of that bird's eye. There's a red panda somewhere over there. There he is, my red panda friends. Right there. Alright, where are we?
Rafiki's Planet Watch, the conservation station.
Yeah, we're taking a look.
Otherwise known as AC, away from everything, I'm tired.
I wonder if I could zoom in on the lizard up there. They're sitting on the glass. There he is, he's behind the tree. One up there too. Them in the corner over there. Pretty creepy. Only he would move.
Oh, look at that.
Little tarantula. I like spiders, so I have no. Oh, these are huge.
Yeah, big stick bug.
Te vas a morir del sustancial y nivel. Mira, la tarántula.
Just dead spiders.
Are they?
Oh no,
Oh, those
they're
are
molts.
molts. They. Oh god, they molt.
Yalla, let's go. There's one that's disguised. Ah!
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh my god. It's huge. It's huge.
They molt. I didn't know that. That's very pretty. That big plane. And like that. Even the floor looks nice. He's so ugly. I love him. I like this bat, but then that boy up there. How funny. And there's the Tyler bird. Penguin! If that isn't me right now, then I don't know what is. Is it a he or a she? Got a cute face.
It does. Poor thing. It's really warm.
It's got mud to lie in over there.
Huh?
It's got mud to lie in over there.
Oh my god, it moved.
I think you found the spot that works.
Yeah, he likes it there.
Just a goat.
Dun dun.
I'm gonna touch the goat.
Yeah.
Bye, goat.
Don't go under.
Okay, bye.
Yep.
Hello.
So, I got either.
Do you feel like the cats were? They're screaming at each other.
Don't you hear the one who lives next door to us?
Yes. All the way back there, or the alpaca, whatever it is, near the billy goats.
You're so cute.
I know. Look at it. Oh. Hi. I know you see my camera. Look at me. Sorry, I can't hold this steady. Is this a boy or a girl?
For sure. Look, check under.
Look for its udder.
That's
or
a girl.
something.
May I pet you?
Just reach over. I want to see how soft.
Want to pet the cow, Mom?
Get the cow.
Come over by here.
Don't snort on me. Why are you twitchy?
Is it really soft?
Yes, I love that. Who's your pretty cat?
I believe it's a girl.
Are you a girl?
It has udders.
You have udders? Yeah? You're chewing away.
Over there.
I'm going over to get the basket.
You're gonna picture with a lady. There's Rafiki. Which means it's going to rain, because every time he wears this shirt, it rains.
You might want to restart your intro though, it's definitely cut off.
I don't care.
Whenever I wear this shirt, it apparently rains.
It does. It started to rain. All because Donald's wearing that shirt. Hi. Rafiki's going inside because it's getting wet. Okay, Rafiki. Aw.
We should start going.
Which means impatient.
It means princess!
And finally we have Zawadi.
In Swahili for the gift. The gift. Yes, the gift. And if you want to stay good looking, you best back off the attitude.
The Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to...
Here I come. Big star coming through. Big cat on a mission here. It's showtime. All right, now move aside, fellas. That's enough, boys. Let's settle down. For the last time, I want quiet! Thank you. Maestro, if you please. Hey, what the? Hey there, big fella. Hey, nice hat. So, where you from? Yikes! Let's get out of here!
I know that your powers of retention are as wet as a warthog's backside. But thick as you are, pay attention.
Back in Pandora.
175 and 85.
Which one?
Bit of a.
I'm gonna videotape this mouse eating something. Look at him. He's
This
so
is what Animal Kingdom is all about.
Oh, I didn't mean for you to drink it, but okay. He's so tiny and cute. What is he eating? It's maybe bird fruit. Now, what do you think this little area by the Nemo Theater between Dinoland and Asia is?
It's called Theater in the Wilds.
It needs a more creative name. Like hearing the people scream in the background. I think I've said that before. Oh my god, that person's scared. It's better than what we had.
I want to hear. No, this is exactly why I would love to have if we had a band trip in
Fiona.
parks. where like we were there for like a week, so like one of them was a performance day and the other days are in the park
Yeah.
for a few hours. Or
The whole time?
yeah. That's why I would love. Cause like imagine like the people that we went with to Six Flags too on that. Can you imagine the screeches?
Oh my god.
They may look like zebras with those striped legs, but they're actually the closest living relatives of black rhinos. Weigh about 3,000 pounds and can charge up to 35 miles an hour. Unfortunately, there are less than 5,000 black rhinos in the entire world, and that is largely due to poaching. Many people think that rhino horns have medical or even mystical purposes, when in fact, rhino horns are made out of keratin, the same thing our fingernails are made out of. A group of hippos is known as a bloat. Very fitting considering they tip the scales at about 5,500 pounds. Normally stay submerged in the water during the day, stay out of that hot sun, and they can stay submerged up to 8 minutes at a time.
I know.
And hanging out on the island there, those larger white birds are pink-backed pelicans. They get their name because their backs turn pink during mating season. Those pelicans have a wingspan of about 7 to 9 feet long. Despite their large wingspan, they are the smallest of the pelican species. A bunch of Nile crocodiles down there. They average 16 feet in length and 500 pounds. They've been known to eat half their body weight in just a single feeding. You can see that giraffe having a snack, it looks like. Reaching up with its long tongue. That tongue is about 18 inches long. And over to the right there with the giant horns. Very fitting considering they are the world's tallest animals, standing 18 to 20 feet, taking a snooze. Hyenas are matriarchal, meaning the females are in charge. The lowest ranking female is still higher than the highest ranking male. Up to 2,000 pounds. From a standing point, those elands can jump 8 feet into the air. And here are the wildebeest. Wildebeest can gather in herds of up to 1.5. That's so when they get hot, they can send blood to the tip of their horns to cool down, and then send back down to lower their internal body temperatures. Fastest land animals, they can run 50 to 60 miles an hour. They're actually the least pink of all the flamingo species. They get that pink color from the tiny brine shrimp in their diets. Yarrow cheat, I guess. Wondering where its food is. Across from us.
Matthew, if you do the third sign, I'll kill you. That was quick.
Here's the picture.
Conductor's already killed himself. All the passengers are jumping